Life is full of surprises, not all of them are good. You might face a sudden job loss, your car could break down, a medical emergency could arise. These events are stressful. They are also expensive. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. It's money set aside for unexpected expenses. This fund helps you cover these costs without going into debt. Without an emergency fund, you might have to rely on credit cards. You might delay essential medical care. Having an emergency fund gives you peace of mind. You can face the unexpected without panic. You have a financial cushion. This cushion allows you to make clear-headed decisions during tough times. Start building your emergency fund today. A common guideline is to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This amount should cover your essential needs. Essential needs include rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Calculate your monthly expenses. Multiply that number by 3. This is the starting point for your emergency fund. If you have a stable job and low expenses, 3 months might be sufficient. If you have a variable income or high expenses, aim for 6 months or more. This amount provides a significant buffer. You'll have time to get back on your feet. You can look for a new job. You can handle unexpected repairs. A larger emergency fund offers greater peace of mind. Your ideal emergency fund size depends on your circumstances. Consider your job stability. A stable job means you might need a smaller emergency fund. A less stable job means you might need a larger one. Think about your dependents. Do you have children or other family members who rely on you? If so, you'll need a larger emergency fund. Factor in your health. Do you have any ongoing medical expenses? If so, adjust your savings goal accordingly. Your risk tolerance also plays a role. Are you comfortable with the smaller emergency fund, or do you prefer a larger safety net? Adjust your savings goal to match your comfort level. Start by tracking your expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back. Look for small, manageable changes. Can you reduce your dining out budget? Can you find a cheaper cell phone plan? Automate your savings. Set up a recurring transfer from your checking account to your savings account. Even small amounts add up over time. Consider a side hustle. Could you freelance, drive for a ride-sharing service, or sell items online? Store your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account.
If you found this guide helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on financial security.